just going to go over some of the tools that you'll need for this repair. You'll need your Isesmo to take off the screen and get behind a few things. We'll need some pointer tweezers. We'll need your tri-wing screwdriver. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. We'll need your pentalobe screwdriver to do the bottom screws, and then we'll need a spudger to move some connectors. So the battery is these two parts here, and they are connected together, so you have to take them out all at once. You can't take off the top one and then the bottom one, they are the same thing. And for that, it has a little adhesive that is under it. So on the top part of it, you'll see this little flap bit. You want to take that off first. Obviously, with using metal tweezers like I am, and sharp ones, just be very careful, because you can end up poking the battery or damaging one of these cables. So just be very careful. You can obviously use your flat end tweezers, but you just need something that can pretty much grip this. And then what you want to do is, once you've got a hold of it, you just want to gently pull it out, and you can hear it pulling out. So once that's done, you can then lift up the battery. Like I said, it comes as one whole piece. So now what you need to do is we need to put the battery back in. So you'd need some new adhesive. You want to peel off all the blue bits. Make sure the adhesive doesn't stick to the blue bits, which it shouldn't do. Alright, and then you pretty much just move out of the way. Lay the battery down so the top of the connector, the silver bit, is at the bottom, and you can see all the little gold pins. And you just want to lay that on top, like so. You can fold over these little connectors, these little adhesive parts as well. And you want to make sure that it's nicely pushed down. So just get a flat metal tool, go over the top of it, and then you can peel back all that. So now we'll get the rear again, and then what you want to do is always plug it in first so it's lined up, and then you can pop it down, because then you'll know it'll be in the exact place that you need it to be. And then always disconnect the battery after that. Alright, so for the sake of ease, we've already got the new screen fitted already. With the Partly Swap Turbo. We do have another video on that to show how to do the screen. But what you want to do now is you want to get some new adhesive. It only goes in one way, it's got the kind of circular bits for the top cameras. You want to pop that in. And then you just want to run a little tool around the side just so the adhesive takes to the actual rear. Just go all the way around the sides. Obviously just being very careful, try not to slip or put too much pressure on it. Now once that's done, you can peel that off. So, then what you want to do is you want to plug the new screen in. So we'll start off with the top proxy part. So you just want to pop that in, and then we'll pop in the two screen connectors. Alright, so make sure that's all connected in. Then what you want to do is you want to put down the battery connector, and then we'll put over the plate and we'll screw that all back into place. Right, like so. So once that's screwed into place, what we then need to do is fold it down. So you want to pop the top in first. You want to go to the right hand side and just make sure that those little cables there, don't know if we'll focus on that part, those little cables there are sitting in between the frame and not in between the screen and the frame, like so. Once that's done, you just want to do in the bottom 2 screws. Like so.